Things no one knows about animals, but you will know them today, and number 3 will leave you shocked. 1. Sloths can take up to a month to digest a single leaf in their stomach. 2. Ghost crabs have their teeth inside their stomachs, and they run each other to grind up food. 3. Koalas' fingerprints are incredibly similar to humans, and experts find it very confusing to differentiate them. 4. Elephants are the only land mammals that can't jump. This is because their bones and joints all face downwards. 5. Female octopus only mates once and dies after giving birth. 6. Dolphins sleep with only one part of their brain. This allows them to be vigilant. Subscribe for more amazing facts.